Here's the Kato motor that I got from Japan. And there's the car, how it fits. It could be maybe a little tighter. And I did do some decals yesterday for the Turtle Creek Central. We even gave it a number. Eventually, it can be converted into DCC if I get around to it. This is my old test track we used to do from when I used to sell at train shows, so we could check both DC or DCC, and to check out the DCC, excuse me, I would hook up a NCE power cab, and then you just use the switch to go back and forth. So for this, I'm going to go DC, and as you can see, it moves. It's very smooth. I did watch a guy on YouTube who converted this over to DCC with a little Z-Scale Digitrax decoder. There's plenty of room in there. It's just taking it apart. So it does work. This is just a little something I've been wanting to do. If I get to change the converter over to DCC, then maybe I'll run it on my layout. But anyway, that was my little fun project from yesterday. Changing out, let me show you, these couplers to microtrans. I think these are 1015s or something like that. But anyway, that took me half a day because the springs, I have springs all over the room. They're just fly out of your hands. So, but anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.